Hey folks, imagine if developers and IT operations could work together seamlessly to deliver software faster and more reliably. That's exactly what DevOps does. But where did this approach come from, and how has it transformed the tech industry? Let's dive into the world of DevOps. Before DevOps, software development was slow and riddled with bottlenecks. Developers would write code and IT teams would deploy it, often leading to delays, miscommunication, and system failures. The need for faster and more efficient development gave birth to DevOps, a fusion of development, dev, and operations, ops, aimed at automation, collaboration, and continuous delivery. Let's talk milestones. 2007 to 2008. The term DevOps was first introduced by Patrick Dubois in Belgium. 2010. DevOps gained traction with the first DevOps Days conference. 2013. Giants like Amazon, Netflix, and Google hopped on the DevOps train. By 2017, DevOps went mainstream, with companies worldwide adopting CI/CD pipelines. DevOps tools power this transformation. Continuous integration and delivery CI/CD with Jenkins, GitHub Actions, GitLab CI/CD, configuration management through Ansible, Puppet, Chef, containerization and orchestration using Docker, Kubernetes, cloud and monitoring with AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Prometheus, Grafana. Leading the DevOps charge are countries like the USA, UK, India, Germany, and Canada. So, how did it change the game? 5 key ways. Automation replaces manual deployments with automated pipelines. Faster releases from months to minutes thanks to CI/CD. Collaboration, developers and IT teams now work hand in hand. Scalability, cloud technologies make scaling infrastructure a breeze. Reliability, continuous monitoring keeps systems stable. Today, DevOps is an industry standard embraced by startups and tech giants alike. DevOps isn't just a technology shift, it's a culture. By embracing automation, collaboration, and continuous delivery, companies can innovate faster and stay ahead. What's your experience with DevOps? Let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you later.